Hi, hello everyone. I'm Angelo Roque and I'm the marketing head of Towel Food Enterprise. And right now, we're here at Bawan, Batangas. And ngayon, kasama natin sila Mr. and Mrs. Behasa. I'm right? Ayan. So sila po ang aming city distributor ng Bawan, Batangas. So number one, syempre gusto ko lang pong introduce sa inyo yung ating new business partner as city distributor here. And ma'am, may I know what's the reason why kung bakit kayo naging interested for the city distributor?
Kasi syempre, mas malaki yung kita. May 7%
Yeah.
at 10%.
Yes. Okay. And at the same time? So, first of all, syempre, I know interest in yan. So, sila ma'am ay meron na silang existing business and hopefully na maging mas maayos pa yung business partners natin at dun sa mga magiging business partner pa natin dito sa May Bawan, Batangas. Ma'am, number one, question ko lang din sa inyo po, dalawa. Kamusta po yung business seminar natin? Ay, para at least aware lang din ng karamihan.
Maganda kasi mas madaling maintindihan at ka-open kayo sa lahat ng question.
Yes, we're so very transparent, no? So ngayon, ito na kami. Ayan, nagdi-discuss na kami ng mga information and nakapag-settled na rin sila ma'am and sir for the transaction. And ngayon, nandun na kami sa point na magti-training na sila. So, we need to schedule dun sa training nila sa Cubao, Quezon City. So, yun guys. Again, maraming salamat sa inyo, ma'am, sir. Congratulations in advance and good luck for our partnership. So, kung kayo din, mga ma'am, sir, are interested for this kind of business, nandito lang po kami. We're willing to help you to start your own business. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yan.
Sa AA, quality na, legit pa. Kaya ano pang gagawin? Mag-franchise!